I sure wish I had a bar cart in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad the Yoobure bar cart finally came in the mail. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so we're seeing all the parts spread out on the floor. Most of these sets are numbered with a sticker on there. And in this bag, you also have all of these tools and screws and bolts and nuts. Alright, and here's a quick assembly instruction, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk you guys through it. Should be pretty much straightforward. So how they turn out? Here's what it looks like. Wow, doesn't that look perfect? It's a great addition to my kitchen. I've always wanted a bar cart, or you can treat it similar like a kitchen island. Look at all the things I can store in here. See, you can store snacks, fruits, and even wine. All right, and we have 6 of these S-shaped hang hooks that you can put your kitchen utensils. So the material is made of engineered wood, and the color is called berry brown. Now each of these shelves has a weight limit capacity of 65 pounds. And the total weight of the cart is only 18 pounds. And what's great about this is that you can use the 2 handles and push it like a cart. Okay, so I have it unlocked right now. So imagine just serving people out in the dining room area. And you have these locks, which I decided to put it alternating, like one on this side and then one on the other side. Doesn't matter which direction you're oriented according to instructions, as long as you have it located properly. See? Now it's sturdy, so it won't roll away in case you decide ever happen to put it on the incline. See what I have right here. Got some snacks. Of course, you can put a lot of stuff in here. All kinds of snacks, cinnamon, raisin, bagels. Additionally, you have 2 rows of these champagne glass rows where you can store a lot of champagne glasses to serve your wine. A lot of fruit right here. You got wine, okay? Choice of wine. You could put buckets of ice down here. See the utensils. So this is a very cool little addition to my kitchen. I'm loving it, and I'm sure my guests would love it when I'm serving them delicious food. So if you're looking for a cute little push carts bar cart for your kitchen, definitely give the Yoobure brand look.